Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together. And in this week's show, I'm going to do a little mini concert for you and perform my version of On Green Dolphin Street. Hope you enjoy it. I did one of these shows recently where I performed a song and people seemed to enjoy it. The last time I played The Nearness of You, and you can see that linked up there now. That was showcasing the more tonal, expressive side of jazz. And now I'm going to play something a little bit more upbeat. It's the classic standard On Green Dolphin Street. Once again, I'm using the wonderful backing tracks from Jay Metcalf's company, bettertracks.com. Go and check that out. They're absolutely wonderful tracks to play along with. And a lot of people are always asking me where I get my backing tracks. Well, for this one today, that's where it comes from. If you haven't done already, please check out my free 1-hour saxophone success masterclass. The URL is right there, or you can click the link in the description. It's a solid hour packed with teaching to help you improve every aspect of your playing and to get a really wonderful practice routine in place that will help you progress faster. I'm now going to play On Green Dolphin Street for you. I really hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end. So that's it for this week. I really hope you enjoyed my version of On Green Dolphin Street. In the meantime, thank you very much if you've bought me a coffee, and if you want to buy me a coffee, you can use the URL below or the link in the description. Check out the masterclass. That's packed full of great stuff to really bring your playing on faster than you might have believed. And in the meantime, until next week, practice smart, practice hard. Hey, I got it in the wrong order. Practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. I'll see you next week. See you later.